welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing something slightly different than usual. We're going to be doing a reacting video to Jenna Marbles' video because she basically just posted a video trying to recreate one of my Halloween looks from last year. If you guys haven't seen it, then this is the look that I did. It's kind of like an optical illusion sort of look. Just before we get any further into this video, I just want to clarify that my jumper says snatched, not like natch or something. If you're wondering, this is from H&M. I'll link it down below. But yes, we're gonna be reacting to this video today and I'm so excited. I watched Jenna for ages, like since I was a kid. So to see her like recreate one of my looks was just so cool. I actually skim watched this video. Like I haven't actually fully watched it yet because I really wanted to film this video for you guys. So we're kind of gonna be seeing it together almost for the first time. So I have my laptop right here at the ready so we can watch this video together. If you guys are brand new, make sure you come and join the dinosaur family by subscribing down below. But without further ado, let's get on into the video.
This has probably been one of the most requested videos in recent memory. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but I think Dope2111 pioneered this look.
Oh,
where
she did.
Puts like a set of eyes under her eyes.
I love Promise Fans look. Like this was the thing that kind of like inspired me to do like all the eyes on my face. So I just love her so much as well.
Lips under her lips. It's a double vision makeup look, and you guys just flooded me with tweets and stuff when this came out, and you said that you really wanted me to do it. And I know it's taken me a minute, okay, but I think I'm gonna do it. But I found one that looks a little more ambitious. It's by Roxxsaurus. It's called
I love the way she says my channel name, Roxxsaurus. Like it's actually Roxxsaurus for those of you who don't know. Like it's not Roxxsaurus, but there's so many people that make the same mistake. And funny story, my channel was actually meant to be Roxxsaurus, but when I was making the channel, I actually made a spelling mistake. So now it's Roxxsaurus, but it's kind of stuck, so we're all good with it.
Trippy Vision Illusion Halloween makeup, and she has not 2 sets of eyes, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sets of eyes!
It's actually 4!
And then 2 extra sets.
Oh, bless her! It's 4. But there's so many eyes that I can kind of see why she would get confused.
Down here, so you just look like a human spider.
How does that math work? 1 up here and 2 down here, that's 4.
Yeah, you got
Julian just corrected her.
5 eyes, because your 3rd eye is always on. Starts off with an eyeliner, pencil, and brown, which I don't have, but I do have a...
I do have to say, it's definitely one of my harder looks. Like, I don't think it's like beginner friendly. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I tried to obviously make the tutorial as like, I don't know, step by step as possible. But there's gonna be some things that some people may struggle with, obviously. So I'm kind of excited to see how Jenna's gonna do with this.
Brow pencil.
So we're off to a good start.
My like crepey old lady eyes are really not having a great time.
Crepey?
Yeah, crepey old lady eyes. This is a place on my face where a pencil should never go.
I know, right?
Understand. So this is...
Oh my god, so when I was doing this, it was so uncomfortable. Like I actually never said this in the video, but it was really uncomfortable because I had like a pencil that was really super hard and stiff. So when I was like trying to do the eyebrow under my eye, I was like dragging my skin. It was so painful.
Making like a faux little brow right here. I'll link the video in the description for those of y'all that actually want to watch someone talented. This high-key fucking hurts.
Oh, thanks, Jenna.
Always speed him, man.
That's a look right there.
Hi, sisters.
Hi, sisters.
So sad. So then she starts like outlining the eye underneath the eye.
Oh.
She's actually doing pretty well.
I'm terrified to fail at this because then it's gonna ruin the illusion.
This is Spider's favorite TV show.
What?
A newlywed game.
It doesn't look
Jenna,
like
I have
her.
a question.
What?
When you're done filming, are you gonna post this video to the World Wide Web?
I'm gonna have a speedo mustache.
I love Julian's like little side comments and all of his like puns.
Oh, it's Speederman. Slinger, he's web. Does that look good? I mean, I feel like that's not the worst.
That looks good.
Yeah, because then the ones up here are bigger.
They are. Mm-hmm.
I'm not that artistic. Like, I can't fucking draw. I feel like this eye is pointing down.
Oh, bless. That is such a sad eye.
Oh, wait, are those uneven? Fuck.
Honestly, Jenna, between the shots, this was kind of what I was like as well. Like, I was just like, ugh, this is not working. This didn't go my way. Honestly, it's just like a trial and error. It took me a long time to film that. I'm not gonna lie.
What?
We go on like Omegle after after you're done with this. Just to freak
That's
people out.
such a good
Does
idea.
Omegle still exist?
Oh my god, the way they say Omegle. Like in England it's Omegle, like that's what we say, but I didn't realize it's Omegle. Like which one is it? Is it Omegle or is it Omegle? Let me know down below.
If you don't stop, I'm gonna start sweating my eyes off.
That's some good shading, Jenna. That is some good shading. It's actually looking really good. Like once you put the white bits inside the eye, it starts to look like so much like eyes.
Oh, that's so creepy. Those look exactly like your regular eyebrows.
Yeah, because mine are mostly pencil. Fuck, this is hard. Dude, this is fucking hard.
It is hard.
All the lines are uneven. What's that look like?
You did a really good job.
Really? I feel like all the eyes look sad as hell. I don't have a blue pencil, but I did bring down a teal lipstick. Oh no, my top eye's a cuck eye.
Oh no! That's happened to me as well when I first did this. Like the eyes would actually just point in different directions because of the curvature of like a forehead. Don't worry, girl. That happened to me as well.
When I was little, I really wanted brown eyes.
Why?
Because I feel like you can wear like almost no makeup and your eyes just sort of stand out. But not me. I just had these like light eyes, light skin. I just look dead.
That is me.
All the time.
I wish I had brown eyes, like so bad.
Crazy how like putting the outline on the irises
All of a sudden now their eyes, yeah.
That's
I told
looking
you
good.
the top ones was This one's looking good.
Just like pointing
How
in
do I
different
fix
directions.
that? This is getting so bad.
Oh, hello.
Hers looks so much better than mine. So I'm gonna face a
No,
decision
yours are looking good
a little
too.
bit about whether or not
Where to look?
I should put on lashes. Well, I'm gonna draw them first, and then if I feel like it doesn't look good, I'll put some on, but I feel like that's gonna make it look a little worse. How do I look? Like a speedo?
You look like a speedo.
The top eyes are making me want to laugh so much because they are literally pointing in the opposite directions.
She's got this like liquid white eyeliner that I just do not have.
Oh, the liquid eyeliner, let me tell you, that is like one step that I definitely wouldn't miss because it just brings the whole thing to life. Like it makes it look three-dimensional. It makes like the eyes look like they're almost like glistening. So yeah, it's definitely really good to have like a white liquid liner for this look because I feel like it just makes it 10 times better.
Oh my god, dude. It's really starting to like turn me out. Oh my god.
It's looking really good though.
The nose needs to go right over my nose scar.
The rock is cooking.
Julian, I don't know how to draw a nose. I don't know how to draw a nose. I don't know how to draw it.
This was literally the most difficult part of this video, I think.
You never drawn a nose?
Don't zoom in on this.
I didn't say.
It's such a small, tiny nose.
You just colored in my scar.
Subscribe.
Subscribe for more argument. I guess that's okay.
Thank you.
It's actually much better than what I was doing. My eyes hurt because you're breathing. And
Julian has come to save the day.
that is wild. It's not right. So now the question is, should I put lashes on my face or no?
It's unnecessary. You can't even see it, dude. You literally can't even see it.
Yeah.
No, you can't see
I feel
it.
like this doesn't look like hers at all.
It actually doesn't look that bad. Honestly, I think it would have been really, really good if she had a white eyeliner. Like that would definitely complete the look, but I think it still looks pretty good.
So I need to make lips under my lips that look like my lips.
Lipception.
I think my lips is small as hell. We don't have a lot to draw.
Literally me.
It doesn't look as good as hers. That's why when people are like, oh my god, you have to do this. I'm like, it only looks good because they're incredibly good at makeup. Mine's really not that good.
Open your eyes really wide. Like, super. Yeah.
They're not even the same color. This one's looking somewhere else. She doesn't want to be here. Face tour. Here's my first set of eyes, my second set of eyes, my third set of eyes, and my fourth set of eyes.
Yes. Oh my god, dude, that's crazy. Okay,
That looks
that's
good.
the craziest thing.
Oh my god, that looks really scary. That looks really scary. Oh my god, that was such a good video. I really enjoyed that. And honestly, I don't feel like she did that bad of a job. Like, I feel like she did actually okay. Like I said, like the eyeliner, the white eyeliner would have definitely saved the day because it did for me. But honestly, I just don't think it was that bad. I definitely think she was being too hard on herself. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed my reacting to Jenna Marbles recreating one of my Halloween makeup looks. If you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys come and join the dinosaur family by subscribing subscribing down below. And also don't forget to click the notification bell to stay notified of every time I post a new video. But that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!